So we're here at Apparition Hill, and let's go up there and see what's going on today. Shops are opening. Nice temperature. Perfect, I tell you. This is really beautiful temperature. People have coffee here. And a lot of people have their families. That's the best what you can do. It's written in the Bible. Teach the children from little on the ways of the Lord, that they will know it, and they will laugh like the little girl. Good morning. And here we are, Apparition Hill. Oh, early morning. Oh, you see, people are there. I'll walk with you on Apparition Hill. And you can see the people.